And we back. What's going on, YouTube? How y'all been? Making me some breakfast. A lot been going on. So with that, did y'all start y'all grind yet? That's the real question. Did y'all start grinding? Did y'all start talking about or thinking about how y'all gonna make all this money before, well, going into the new year? Did y'all find another source of income? Y'all gotta find a side hustle. Y'all gotta get a job. Y'all gotta do something. You gotta do something that's do something that you love doing. Do something that you passionate about. Do something that you gonna make money off of. You gonna make money off of it, but you also gonna love it. You gonna love doing it. So do something that you love doing, that you can make money off of. And don't care what people think or say. That's gonna hinder you. And don't be scared to take risks. You gotta take risks. You gotta take some L's. You gotta take L's to get to where you're going. The L's is what's gonna make you better. You gotta learn from them. You gotta learn from it. You gotta learn from the stuff that you do. Everything happens for a reason. Like anything you're going through in life, like it happened for a reason. It's just gonna be like, it's just off of you, like when it's time for you to say it's time for me to change, like it's time for me to do something different, it's time for me to go to the next level. It's time for me to change my way of thinking. You feel me? And then everything else gonna just come. When you do that, everything else just gonna come. Right. Just thank God where you at right now today. Just thank Him for that. Thank Him for the small stuff He do for you in your life. And did you think of this morning when you got up? Yeah, I'm cutting up these potatoes. I'm about to make some eggs, pancakes, and potatoes. Alright, I'll be back. And we back. We back. Y'all see this good. Y'all like eggs? Do y'all even eat breakfast in the morning? Let the sugar on. Come on. And I put syrup on my eggs. And yeah.